Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on StubHub. If you don't have a StubHub account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Settings. On this page, you will see a section for payment options for selling tickets. Below that is an option that says Add New Payment Method. Click on Add New Payment Method. Before you proceed, a code will be sent to your email. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Then click on Submit. Once your identity has been verified, click again on Add New Payment Method. Now, select a payment method you wish to add. In this video, I'm going to add a bank, so I clicked on Bank Transfer. Next, select a currency. After that, enter all the required information. Once entered, click on Submit. Lastly, review the payment method. If everything looks good, click on Save. That's how you add a payment method on StubHub. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.